The quick way: create a fire flame effect in Photoshop. Open U Photoshop and open U Image. Go to the Select Pen to tool from the toolbar, select the path of the top, and create a path. I do this. And click on the layer, and create a new layer. Then go to the Filter menu, and click on the Render to Flame, and click on the Basic, and select the one flame along path. Also follow the process. Press Ctrl T, adjust the flame. Also click on the mask icon. Select Brush Tool and Opacity 20. And make sure foreground color black. And remove this. Also create a new layer. Select Eyedropper tool. Alt key, pick the sample color. Select Brush tool. And Opacity 100. And click this. Change blending mode. Normal to soft light. Press Ctrl T. Adjust the effect. Now we make a flame effect in Photoshop. That's it. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe our Graphics Solution Tricks channel and click the bell icon for more updates.